Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale Canva for graphic design, full guide step by step clearly. To scale Canva for graphic design effectively, start by creating a clear project plan. Identify your design goals and the audience you want to reach. Explore Canva's extensive template library to find inspiration and save time. Select a template that aligns with your brand or project needs. Customize the chosen template by adjusting colors, fonts, and images to reflect your brand identity. Utilize Canva's design grids to maintain alignment and achieve a balanced layout. Incorporate high-quality images and graphics to enhance visual appeal. Experiment with layering elements for depth and creativity. Make use of Canva's text tools to convey messages clearly and engagingly. Stay consistent with font styles and sizes throughout your design. Utilize the Brand Kit feature in Canva Pro to streamline your design process. Ensure all assets, including logos and colors, are stored in one place for easy access. Use Canva's collaboration tools to invite team members for feedback and input. Conduct regular reviews of your design projects to ensure they meet your expectations. Leverage Canva's animation features to add dynamic elements to your designs. Export your work in various formats to adapt to different platforms and uses. Monitor the performance of your designs to understand what resonates with your audience. Seek feedback from peers or clients to improve and refine your future projects. By following these steps, you will maximize your Canva experience for graphic design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.